That's definitely, wind's picking up. I'm gonna cast right in the middle of that stuff. All right, here we go, right in the middle, right there. There we go. There we go. Got a fish on now. It's for you. All right, Dub. Fish on, Dub. That's probably gaff top, but she's a good fight. Yep, gaff top. Got your gaff top, Dub. Fish on, baby. Guy at work, his son follows us on Dirty Bay fishing, so he likes to fish on, so I gave him a fish on. Dude, it's crazy. There we go. Ah, come on now. Thought I had him. Well, I guess I do have him. Wow. Got some wall hangers today, dude. Little Sandy. Little wall hanger. Killing it today.
Monkey.
Killing it.
Monkey.
Alright, Eric got fish on.
Monkey.
Hell yeah, wall hanger. Wall hanger Friday. There we go, fish on. Fish on. Might be some more gaff top, I don't know. Maybe a double hookup. Good deal, double hookup, baby. Double hookup. That's gaff top, that's all right. We're bringing some fish in the boat. Hell yeah. Crazy now. It's a gaff top. Double gaff top hookup, baby. The water caught. There you go. Fish on. Got him? Good. I wonder what you got. Wonder what you got. There you go. Good deal.
Monkey.
You got some? There you go. Trout. Good deal. Yeah. It's a sandy. Oh, nice.
A little small, but that's good news.
That's a sand. Oh, is it? Okay, good deal. Oh, I know you're thirsty, phase. Here. Wait. No, wait. Here. There you go. Move. Go. There we go. Fish on, Dub. hooked so hard, foul hooked him. He did get on the boat. Don't worry everybody, he will survive. No tail, that's okay. No tail, but I'll still get another one. Let's see what Eric's got. Oh yeah, look, ooh, fish on already. Oh look, got a bird. Got a bird, baby. Can't fish the birds without catching a bird. I feel sorry for him. Hold on, buddy, hold on. That sucks. I got him pretty good. Hold on. Okay, hey, Paisley, get away. Get away. Help me out, Eric. Oh, good. He's back. He's better. That's freaking awesome. Hey, wall hanger Friday. That's awesome.
I think it was born yesterday.
What you got, dog? Let me guess.
What you
Gaff top.
What you think?
Yes. Yes. The gaff top kings, baby.
Well, this is a
Eric, see those birds? I bet you won't guess what's underneath those birds. Gaff top. So far, every bit of birds we've came across had nothing but gaff top. Slicks, gaff top. By the rocks, gaff top. Getting a little hit. Come on, take it now. There we go. It's still fun to bring in, but it'd be nice to see a speckled trout, little sand trout. Uh-oh. Like I said, it's nice to have a little sand trout. Right on. Finally. Finally a little sand trout. Dude, already? Hell yeah. Come on now. There we go. There we go. Oh, he spit it out. Took my tail. That definitely is a little sandy. Ripped off my tail. Oh, they're pretty thick, dude. They're thick. They're thick. That's good. Hell yeah. So, first speck of the day. I'm kind of missing my gaff top. All right, finally got my first speck of the day after all those gaff top. There we go. Did I get you? Did I get you? Is he coming to me? Yep, he come out of the water. There you go. He's not a keeper. See ya. Hey, that's good though. He chomped off my tail though. Hey, I've got a Eric, I got it. There we go.
good size trout.
Hey, I've got a jig hit on that pole right there. Just throw one of these on so you can sling it. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. He might be a keeper. He might be a keeper. We are on the speckled trout. Them birds ain't leaving them. Do I have them? Do I have them? No. Ah, come on.
Little bitty hits.
Little bitty hits. Little bitty hits. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get this steered off right. That way we don't get on spook. You get anything yet? All right, speckled trout. We are on some speckled trout. That's good. Got him? Oh, I got him. Yeah, yeah. We are on the spot. It took the last set of birds all day for hours to find a school of little schoolies. He's a little bit bigger, but he's definitely not a keeper. There we go. There we go. Right on, brother. He's too small. Nope. 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. You stay parallel with them. All right, here's a fish right here. Here's a fish right here. Come on. There we go. Now I'm talking. That's what we're talking about right there, brother. Small? Oh, I lost him. I lost him. Okay, okay. That's all right. That felt good though. About to lose this plastic.
That's a good one.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, double hookup, brother. Double hookup. Ah, he spit it out. That was a keeper. Lost a keeper at the boat. Lost a keeper at the boat. Alright, so we was gonna do one last hurrah, right? Set of birds. We finally found the speckled trout, and now we're just trying to find some keeper speckled trout. Found some more birds back behind us, and that's what we're doing. Say what's up, dog? Perfect, Eric. Gotta wait for him to dive again. Good deal, good deal. Oh yeah, it's a better sized trout. Finally on the trout, guys. Come on, take it, take it. There we go. Keeper? Good deal. Oh, he spit it out the boat. There we go, right at the boat, right at the boat. Look at that.
14.
14? Well, then I know this one's about 13 and a half. That's all right, they're right here. Well, the birds are gone, but definitely bigger than the speckled trout that we've been
Lesson learned, never just assume.
Never assume what?
Never assume that it's legal.
Right. I know, compared to all those little sand trout. What? Fish on?
Maybe. It's tiny, tiny.
There we go. He's tiny, but I got him to, finally got him. Oh, torpedo. There we go. There we go. Got it?
Yeah.
Got it. Double hookup, baby. There we go. Way to finish it out. Way to finish it out. He ain't big, but I don't think he's not a gaff top.
What is it? What is it?
Hell yeah.
Hey. That's all right for me.
Hell yeah, good job.